Good afternoon, traders. Good morning, traders. And now is 3 minutes to 12 in Nigeria, West Africa. So it's still morning. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, greeting you from the land of the rising sun. This is technical analysis based on the advanced method of Elliott Wave strategy. If this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. You can join my Telegram channel. 2 of them are free. One is for the students and the VIP group. Okay, so before I proceed, I want to make this announcement again. Some people are coming to my inbox and complaining that my trade. Maybe just one person anyway. For the sake of one person, I'm trying to explain again before I continue. See, whenever you see a green box, it doesn't mean that when market enters green box, you must buy. Or when from below, or when it enters green box from above, you will sell immediately. See, you can be doing that. You can be winning the trade. But one thing you must know is that within the green box, I will be looking for buy setup and sell setup before I buy or I sell. Because sometimes the market will go to the green box and continue going. To go to the green box and continue going up. So when you enter a trade without making confirmation and it goes against you, don't say that I mislead you. The green box you see is just a forecast and expectation. I expect that the market will buy from here. That's what it is. Though most of the time it will buy, but sometimes the market can change. Okay, like this is DXY. The market is yet to get to the green box and it is going up. So don't say that my analysis failed. No, not failed, because nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody controls the market. We are just making forecasts based on what we know. So having said this, let's dive into the market. Okay, now as we are looking at, this is DXY, and my focus that it will come to this place before it will be reversed. Now, if you're watching the market, you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Now, the question is this wave 4? If this is wave 4, it means that the markets have ended here and it will be going up from here. But if this is an expanding flat as A, B, C, then the market will still come down, enter this place before buying. So nobody will know whether the one that will happen. But as the market develops, we follow it. If here is wave 4, it means wave 5 ended here. Then this will be wave 1. Then wave 2 will be around here. Then we continue going 3, 4, 5 before going down again. So I want you to understand the way I follow the market. Nobody knows what happened tomorrow. We're just making forecasts. For knowledge we have, when you join our VIP group and students group, we teach you all these things. We teach you how to know when buy setup has occurred here, or when setup has occurred here. So having said that, I still see this anyway. That's why we sell. Whether it will sell as wave 2 here and go up, or it will sell and give us a new low as wave 5. Whichever one will happen, now I'm preparing to sell DXY. I'm preparing to sell DXY. That's the important thing. Okay, so this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be wave 1, it can be wave C. So if the wave 1, expect the wave 2 to be around here or even down to this place, then buying will continue. That's what I can say on DXY. USD cards, almost the same situation. Okay, let me show you daily again. DXY, USD cards. This to me seems to be wave A, then A, B, C. Expanding flat, wave B, then wave C will drop to this zone before it begins to buy. Or maybe this is wave 1, wave 2, then it begin to buy. Right now, I'm looking for sell. I'm looking for sell. I want to sell before, whether it will sell below, whether it will sell to give us a new low. That is to complete this very pattern. You can see we have with W, with X, with Y. So if it didn't come down to this place, it means that this WXY has ended here. I mean, that is this WXY ended here, but looking at it, it's not a good structure to say that it has ended here, because it is always seven waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how it normally is. The market can sometimes make a funny and unexpected structure, but to me, this market is coming down to complete this very movement before going up. Okay, that's for USD cards. Today I will show you daily and the 4 hours alone. So there's nothing to lose. I'm looking for setup on 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hours. At least when you step down from here, the way it moves will show you whether it will make a new low or it will make a correction and keep going up. Okay. USD chef. To me, USD chef is making a new low. They are not in the I see that other than W, X, Y, X, Z. Even if it can go up once more, as long as it didn't go up above this very wave B, it will still drop and give us a new low. That's what I'm looking for. I don't think it will go up from here. No. Well, if it happens, it's all about the forecast. Sometimes you'll be right, sometimes you'll be wrong. Euro USD. Remember, Euro USD is always opposite to DXY. So let me go to daily. So looking at daily, you can see this type of structure we're looking at. I suppose we're going to get a drop to this lower channel. Now, the same issue I have on DXY, and not issue, the same structure. Is this, are we getting this move up to complete the move before selling? Or has it completed here? If that is the case, we get correction and keep going down. If not, it will go up to complete the move before going down. Whichever way, right now, I'm no longer selling USD. I'm looking for buy. Because, this is daily charts. When you go down to 4 hours and 1 hour, you know that the move will be much. So buying will be, is what I'm looking for on Euro USD. So the buy, at least it will come to this zone, 1.1, 1.115, 1.11. That is, if it were to go up to give us the move to 1.13, 1.14 zone, then at least it will give us correction and keep going down. Okay, so nothing much to explain here. Other than looking for a buy setup, either a 1 hour or 15 minutes. That's why I don't know how I will tell you that here. Some things are reserved for the students. I'm sorry about that. Because of time, I won't be doing that here. Pounds USD. The same situation. Not same situation anywhere. Pounds USD, I only expect it to make correction. It will give me what I was looking for. Going up A, B, C. I think there's no confusion here. I mean, I think we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the complete structure. So what I'm looking for now is, to me, this is wave 1. So wave 2, whether it will be shallow or deep, time will tell. Then we get wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Before we look for either buy or correction. and PL again. So for now, pounds USD, sorry, pounds USD is a sell market. We buy as correction, then we sell as the trend goes. So looking for buy setup from here, it will either come to this zone or to this zone. Okay, so there's no way I can know where it will end. But if it make a zigzag, then definitely it will come to this zone. But if it will make a shallow correction, maybe around here. So who knows whether here or here, whichever one we buy and watch whether we buy again or not. So that's for pounds USD. AUD USD, I'm looking for buy as well. I don't know. Let me show you daily on AUD USD. So we see why I'm buying. When I zoom out the chart, you can see that this move, the markets have been trying to go up, and sometimes when the market is struggling to make a move, it will just begin to move very fast. So I'm expecting it to continue going up. To me, this is a wave one, wave two, wave one again, wave two of internal wave of this wave one. So I'm looking for buy. The buy will not be a correction, rather it will be an impulse. But though it will be going up like this, it will maybe go up, make some correction, and go up again. That's how market normally moves. Okay, so go down to 4 hours. Anything here? Nothing to show you on 4 hours. Other than that, you need to go down to 1 hour, 15 minutes to get the buy set up. Then you buy. But as a reversal, here is my reversal zone. And I don't think it will keep going down. Now, this is what I announced earlier. Sometimes, so the market will be reversed at the reversal zone and keep going. Sometimes we fail. So if you are buying at the reversal zone or selling at the reversal zone, maybe 50 to 40% of the time you will be correct. Sometimes you will fail. But whatever you are doing, don't overtrade, don't be greedy. You must use stop loss. And when the market, when stop loss is too far from the market, don't trade it because it will harm your account. Okay, so for instance, if you are buying this, the stop loss should be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Remember, this is a daily chart. Why the stop loss is here is because this is daily chart. If you are wrong, you will have the time to get out of the market. Okay, and not the most that stop loss must hit, not a must. When you see that you are wrong, you close the market manually. Okay, so same like AUD/USD, this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, wave 2. Though wave 2 can go as low as 90% of wave 1. But in this case, I don't think we will get that kind of move now. So let's take another look on 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see this drop is sharp. But I have seen many places where corrective wave is just one single drop. For instance, this is one single drop. It happens most of the time these days. This is one single drop, but it is correction. So this is normal zigzag. Sometimes we don't get it. Okay, so to me, this is wave 1 of a bigger wave, wave 2. Then possibly it can be wave A, B, C. Now, if it be with A, B, C, then as time goes on, we will know. But if you see the market going up from here, keep going up, little pullback, keep going up, little pullback, keep going up, don't be surprised because wave 2 these days can be like this. Wave 4 can be like this. Wave B can be like this. So these days, it happens. You will see most of them in yen pays. Okay, so let's continue going. JB225. JB225, I don't have much to show you here. The move is not an ideal you don't make an ideal move, because whenever you see a sharp move, you will expect correction. Last week, I expect that the market will correct and drop again before buying. It didn't happen. It keeps going up. So no clear structure to buy or to sell. So no need delay, waste time here. Or let's say 4 hours, maybe 4 hours, something. You can see 4 hours again, sharp move. Yeah, I don't need to go down from here or from here. Yes, it keeps going up. Okay. And it will likely break this level and keep going. So sometimes when the market is not just that clear, you can forget about it for the meantime until you see a nice structure. Then one thing, if you must make money on yen plus these days, you have to take some risk. I mean, you will be a kind of trying to monitor it on 15 minutes time frame, because this type of move will happen, and again it will repeat and keep going up. So this Euro JPY, I expect this to happen. It may not, but if it happens, I will buy around here, because it's obvious we are getting an ABC, A, B, C, and if that is the case, we are bound to see 166, 167, or at least 165. But here is what I'm looking at: 166, 167, 168 before the big sell will happen again. So don't need to watch if you must trade it. USD JPY, same situation. Go to daily. Go to daily. I see this as ABC, expanding flat. Though if it's an expanding flat, it's gonna go up a higher, maybe to this favorable gap and drop again. Then if the drop is not impulsive, then it means that we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you got to buy. But for now, let me zoom the chart. For now, I want to see it drop further after making correction. A, B, C. So to me, this will A, this will B, expanding flat. Then with C. For me, it's yet to complete. As I'm watching it unfolds, and you know what's happening. Pounds JPY, I also want to see another drop towards 172, 175, 165, even 160. But for now, let's do the chart to see what is happening. So I expect that this is WXY. So either we'll get the sell is within this green box. Maybe 198, 199, we may have a sell, or it may enter 199.65 to 202 or 200. So I think 202, 200, between 197 to 202.5, we get another sell. The sell will likely be a replica of this to give us a nice structure, zigzag of A, B, C. To be a nice trade. If it will happen, then the buying will begin again around 172, 168, 164, 160. So this is how Elliott Wave works. But before you take any trade, get sell by the top. Gold and silver, nothing to explain. During last week, I said that buying not over, that we expected to buy from this zone. It is buying, so nothing to explain. 24 hours, what you do is that you go down to 1 hour. If you didn't find your basket top from here, then look for 1 hour for it to give us a correction or a pullback. Then you join. Silver, the same thing. I remember that it is easier to trade silver than to trade the gold last week, because why? I see that silver has more a better structure, a better structure than gold, but both of them are now going up. You look for buy setup. If you didn't buy from this zone, you look for buy setup and buy. Simple. Platinum. Last week, here is I put my stop loss here. Here is what was my evaluation, but it broke it. This is why I said that market must not reverse at the green box. So one man is complaining that the market failed. I told him that the market didn't fail, but it extended lower. Now, the truth is that within that zone where the green box was, there was no buy setup there. I don't know how to explain it. There was no buy setup there. Okay, so the market dropped further. Now, anybody that have knowledge will find buy setup around here before this big move continued. Or if you haven't bought, allow it to finish 5 waves or 1 hour, then wait for correction, then you buy. The market is just, you need to be patient. You know what you're looking for. If you don't see it, don't buy, don't sell until you see it. So what I was looking for here to buy, I didn't see it and I didn't buy. It went and lower than the green box. Because the green box was here. It was around here. It was around here. Because I make an ABC around here, so it break it and go further. It doesn't mean that you must buy from here or you must buy from here. So know that, please, if you have a question, you can ask me. Even if you are not among my students in the general Telegram group, you can ask question. Another person can explain it to you, or I explain it to you. Do not every question I will explain, because you have to pay to learn. I paid to learn, and I charge a little money for those who want to learn from me. USOIL. Oil, I want to see oil drop to a new low. Whether I'm correct or not, I don't know. But my oil, I sold oil already. And my stop loss is here. The move has not been that much. So if you want to sell oil, you can sell, but mind you, every market has its own risk. Because why? What did I sell oil? To me, this is correction. WXY is correction, not impulse. It will become an impulse if it keeps going up. Maybe come to this zone, come to 82 or thereabout. Then it will not become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you call it in diagonal. So nobody will ever know whether it will go up from here. Sorry, it will go down from here or go up. Well, if you know, fine. Myself, I don't know. Because why? I'm looking at, let me go back to daily to show you why I'm looking for it to go down. Oil made a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And this wave X, with Y, so supposed to be at least 3 waves or 5 waves. So to me, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will still go down to give us wave 5. So my target on oil is below 60. If not for anything, at least it will give us a new low. Maybe 61. But it's going to enter this zone. That's my target. That's my target. My target might be wrong, but I don't think that oil is buying now. I can only, just what I explained to you on in 4 hours. But when I see 5 waves, then I will forget about looking for oil to drop. I'll begin to look for buy. That's how it goes. Nasdaq is going up gradually, but I want to see something similar to this. That is like A, B, C, either running flat or expanding flat for buying. But it seems that it is still going up. I don't know. Anyway, I didn't trade it because I like to trade a clear structure. I like trading clear structure. When structure is not clear, I will leave it because most of the time you make unnecessary loss if you force a trade on yourself. Trading a pattern that's not clear to you is forcing a trade on yourself. Sometimes it will work for you, sometimes you will lose. When I lose, I don't want to lose. I don't like losing carelessly. I don't like losing carelessly. If I do whatever I do that is correct, and then if I lose, I take it as part of trading. Okay, so don't lose carelessly. SP 500 is going up. Remember, here is our target. It's going up. I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it. What didn't I buy it? After all this move, I expected it to make a deeper drop. It didn't make that. I leave it. That's the way I trade. But if you bought it, fine. Okay. So right now, if you want to buy, you are allowed to give us correction again. Meanwhile, the target let me show you the target of this. This will likely be the target. The target is up here. Target is sit and 270, sit and 497, 479. Here is the target right now. So it is still buying. For me to buy it, I would like to get a deep correction. If I get a deep correction, then I will buy and target this high. Okay, that's for SP 500. US 30 is also buying last week, or maybe last week we are saying that we're gonna see a buy from here. It's now buying. The target is still the target is still far, but remember, market will definitely make some corrections before it continue to buy. So don't just buy now. If you buy now, you may see it going against you. But I don't want to see it go below this place. So to me, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for you starting. That is also buying, and the target is still far. The target is still far. The target is still far. So if you are buying that, you definitely know that the market is still far. So now it's either, okay, you can see it will likely come to this very place. But before then, maybe it will likely come to this place, correct, and go up again. So it's a buy market, and there's no doubt about that. Dow also going up. The target is still far. Okay, let me go to coin, Bitcoin, and I will wrap up. 30 minutes already. I don't like making lengthy videos. Bitcoin, my last analysis, I said that this is wave 1, wave 2, then another wave 1, wave 2. So I think nothing to explain on Bitcoin because it is going in accordance with our forecast. So we can see it, wave 1, ABC, wave 2, this is wave 1 again. If you go down to 1 hour, you know whether it will give us something like this. Then you will find you are buying. So nothing to explain other than it is buying. Remember, for the past 3 months, I'm saying that my target on Bitcoin is 83,000, or at least psychological 80,000. That's where I'm heading to on Bitcoin. At 3K, 80K, at 3K is where Bitcoin is going. So if you are afraid, well, that's your business. I can't trade it for you, but I will show you my trade ideas. If you like it, you join me to trade. If you don't like it, I remember telling a friend when Bitcoin was here. When Bitcoin was here, that the possibility of Bitcoin going lower, without getting to 80,000 is almost 99% impossible. And he was telling me that there was a liquidity here if you want to grab. I tell him liquidity is not a must. That Elliott Wave structure is superior to all those analyses. He refused to buy, waiting for the liquidity grab. But it didn't happen, and the market keeps going up. Maybe now he will be looking for this place as another liquidity grab, and it will not happen. Okay, so this liquidity grab, I think it works mostly on lower time frame, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. But on a higher time frame, it's difficult to come and grab every liquidity before going to the next. If not, the market is going to be going up. It will just be going liquidity to liquidity forever. So it doesn't work like that. So this liquidity, maybe next 2 years, it will come and grab it. I don't know. But to me, those liquidity grab and other those things works better on lower time frame, the higher time frame. Because I know that people who saw this might be waiting for this liquidity before they buy. And it's buying now. Meanwhile, if you go down to 1 hour, 15 minutes, you will see those liquidity grab. They happen. Okay? So I think I'll end here. Nothing to show you. Other market follows Bitcoin. Ethereum is also buying. Ethereum is also buying. And the liquidity grab doesn't happen. You see the liquidity grab, it doesn't happen, but it's not going up. Okay, so I think Ethereum is in a better position to buy than Bitcoin. I mean, because of the structure, it's just broken a channel. So, and it hasn't gone far. So, but meanwhile, mind you, if Bitcoin will correct, it will also correct. So if you are buying Ethereum, stop loss should be here. Then if the stop loss is too big for you, then you don't buy, wait for another structure. That is, you go down to 1 hour, wait for another structure, where stop loss will be small. I don't like trading big stop loss because it can harm your account. Or maybe you wait, because I can see we have a very big favorable gap here. This is a favorable gap, it's very big. The market will likely trade here. Maybe the market will come here, drop, then buy again. So you wait for it to trade before you buy. But you can know, this is a very long time. This is a lot of money is here. As you are waiting, others are making money. But it's better to wait than to make a loss. I think that's the end of this video. There are other pairs I would be showing because of time. Litecoin is also buying, and it's come to our reversal zone and it's buying. BNB is also buying. So whatever's happened on Bitcoin is happening on almost all of them. Now see what now see this. See this. Okay, now what I explained in the beginning. I see this thing as A, B, C, expanding flat. That the market will likely go up from here. But it didn't happen. It break it before 9 buying. So not the most whenever you see green box, you begin to buy. So if you have bought this, close your eyes and bought it, though stop loss is very tight. No, stop loss is here. I've not been here for a long time. And I don't recommend buying when stop loss is very big. You can see if you buy from here, Stop loss here is this is very big. It is very big. I don't advise that because why? What I put it here? I know that the possibility of breaking this place is there. So even if you bought it, you will not lose the trade, but maybe your BP will be high when this drop is going on. So I don't encourage this type of big stop loss. I would rather trade this stop loss here, then I can even buy from here. Or if I see a little drop, I buy from here, stop loss here. That's good. But buying from here, stop loss here is very far. Maybe unless you have a lot of money. So that's why I said in the beginning that you must not close your eyes and buy when you see green box. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channel, is free. If you want to learn from me, you contact me. You see my phone number on the bio. I don't charge much. I charge only $500 for until you graduate. Even if it takes you 2 years, no problem. Just you pay once. But if you are fast in learning and have the time to learn, within 6 months and 18 months, you are good to go. You're good to make money. But I will not rush you to learn everything in 1 month, in 2 months. But I know some can learn it in 3 months, but not everybody. So whoever joins my student, I give you time to learn. So you don't be rushing that your money will expire tomorrow, that you haven't learned much. So I don't do that. I consider those who have and those who don't have. Thank you and God bless you.